Hey guys, welcome back to the Carnival Radiance. We're going to be doing a tour of a balcony spa cabin. Right now it is cabin 1045, so come along and let's take a look. So here we are with our decorations. You come into the cabin. We do have that you have to go ahead and put your key card, your muster station instructions, and your location. Your life jackets, your safe. They updated the safe. And shelving we have already unpacked. And then you have your standing closet. And then your mini bar and your shelves. Go ahead into the restroom. Definitely watch your step. Get your standard shower facilities. We've already, like I said before, we've already unpacked. Hey. You can either do two queens, or, sorry, two full size or a king. We have done the king. More shelving. And then last but not least, our balcony. Again, with just a standard balcony, we just have the chairs and a table. Right now it's about 3:30. It is actually almost all aboard. So we are just about finished. And sail away is about another hour, I think, here on the Carnival Radiance, May 16th, 2022. So things are definitely coming back to normal. We can't wait.